get manacles in here. This is hot. We got the little push clip. Goes over here. Alright, now we gotta do this back one. There we go. Okay, it's done. Now we gotta put in the radio stuff. What we got here? So we got the center console. So we got the cup holder. Trying to see if there's any more screws that go in here. Am I missing something here? Anyway, this goes in here. Got screws in there. Goes like that. Nice. Perfect. Gotta be missing something here. Something is missing here. A little piece of plastic or something. I'll be right back, guys. I know I'm missing something. Oh wait, we got this also gotta go in. Goes like that. We got two. Oh shit. Okay. I gotta get the clip for that. This goes like that. It's a plastic clip that covers. Done. Okay. Close. I'm still missing a piece. I go there. Let me see if it's this right here. Ugh, just wondering. I was like, what the hell? Am I missing something? This goes like that. Okay. Done. Now we gotta move this from out of the way also. Plug this. Alright guys, let's see what I did here. Just gotta pop out back. This goes in first like that. Little tabs there, that locks in. Then you got the centerpiece. There we go, grab it. Oh, but that has to go first. Okay, so let's screw this in. We got the two Phillips are in here. Phillips in there. And then you got two more right here behind the radio. No, actually, this goes behind the radio. So let's get, oh, this got to go in first. Plug that back in. Alright. And then we got the radio bezel, but I'm gonna put that last because I found some screws inside that belonged to that a long time ago. Okay, the last piece. The last piece of the puzzle. Let's plug it into here. Ah, perfect. The last two screws. Perfect. Okay, now I can put back the shifter lock and the little cap that goes here. Perfect. Cigarette lighter is in, that's in, that's in. We got the radio lock. Alright, now it's time for the seats. We are totally done. Alright guys, I'll see you in part 3. I'm going to put the phone to charge. Cool off because it's probably overheating right now at the moment. And I'll be back with the last video, which is putting the 2 seats in, and that's going to be like another 5 minutes and we're done. Okay. Perfect. Nice and clean. This is for the... Okay. We gotta give it a quick vacuum again. Whole bunch of lint in here. This is for seats. You know what? I could probably do the seats real quick, right? Doesn't take that long. So I need the plug for the seat. I'll be right back. See it right there. But we need to connectors in, and the next step would be just vacuum real quick for the slight mess that's here. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, let's go with part. Get one in. The other side came off the track. Alright guys, I'm back. Here's the last video. Everything is in. The seats are in. I had the car running. Everything is nice and clean in there. Beautiful. Nice and clean. Hopefully they keep it that way. Beautiful. I'm gonna go take it for a test drive. I'll be right back. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe.